I'm inside the Lego factory shop here at Legoland Florida. I'm not doing a walkthrough of it because I've done that before, but the main reason why I'm showing this, and I've been seeing this from a distance, but I haven't came in here since then. They blocked off this part. And what this is, this used to have like wall to wall, like these buckets that was in the wall. And you could select different Lego pieces to build stuff with. But probably because the virus and keeping that clean would be, well, basically impossible. They have closed off that section. If you really want to see what it looked like, you could see it in my video that I filmed of here. But I just wanted to show that. So this is how the coronavirus, Covid-19, has affected the Lego factory store here at Legoland, Florida. Other than that, it looks pretty much the same. Cool little store. They must have someone here that works for Legoland building things here sometimes. That thing I think used to move around up there. It's not moving now, but maybe it's just not working. Anyways, the main thing of this video was to show that.